In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove quantity in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store and you only ever want customers to buy one of a particular product at a time, or you just don't want that quantity box cluttering up your product pages or cart, this tutorial is for you. We'll do this using a small piece of CSS inside your WordPress dashboard, so you won't need to edit theme files directly. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the Appearance option, then hover your mouse over it. A set of sub-menu items will appear. From those options, click on Editor. This will open the site editor for your current theme. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on. When the editor has finished loading, look again to the left-hand side panel inside the editor. Here, you'll see an option called Styles. Go ahead and click on Styles. As soon as you do, a new sidebar will slide in from the left with styling-related settings for your site. At the top right corner of this new Styles sidebar, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options icon. Click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Additional CSS. This will open a text field where you can paste custom CSS code that will apply across your site. In that additional CSS field, paste the CSS code provided with this tutorial, the same code shown in the original guide or linked alongside the editor. If you're following along with a reference, you can pause the video at this point to carefully copy and paste that exact code. The code is what actually hides the quantity selector in WooCommerce, so make sure it's complete and has no extra characters or missing brackets. Once the code is in place, look to the very leftmost panel of the editor interface. At the bottom of that panel, you should see a button that says something like Review One Change. This means WordPress has detected the updates you've just made. Click on that button to open a pop-up window. In the pop-up, you'll see a summary of the changes you're about to apply. Take a quick moment to review that everything looks correct, then click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. After saving, your CSS will be live, and the quantity field in your WooCommerce store should now be removed.